How to get a match on Bumble. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a match on Bumble. So first of all, let me open my Bumble app and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where let's say I like this person right over here, and then I'll simply swipe right in order to like that person. Now in order to get a match with that person will also have to swipe right on you, meaning that they like you. So once you both swipe right on each other, if you go to this option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see all of the different people you match with. So if you both swipe right on each other, that person will appear over here, and then you will be able to chat with them or send them a message. But without that, neither will you be able to match with them, nor you will be able to message them. So the only way to get match on someone on Bumble is by simply swiping right and then hope that they swipe right to you as well. So that is basically how you get a match on Bumble. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.